planting a coconut tree. The coconut is alive. The coconut is a life. The coconut is a tree of life. It provides food, building materials, and fiber products. Okay.
Buta ako tubig to.
Manan ko. Ko.
Bulati to mga soil to. To, tubig ang lupa. Butang dyan.
There's still more soil, bro. It's really cactus. It's really cactus.
Water your coconut to.
Japa?
Duro lupa na to.
Duro para mag-grow.
Kapti lupa mo.
If it's less dirt, then it will not grow correctly. Batangan ko?
Soil.
Soil? Ikat lang. Stop.
I will take care
of my plants, guys. Bye, guys.
And water the plants.
Ito, kulong. It is heavy.